Doctor Who Season 10, Episodes 5 to 8, titled Carnival of Monsters. And I was looking forward to this story. I was really looking forward to the story because the Three Doctors is really well done, really strong of a story, and being the first multiple Doctor story. But it ended in such a thing I was so waiting for the show to return, and that is, get the fuck off from Earth. I'm like, cool, awesome. Okay, the Doctor's entering into the TARDIS. There's a companion. In this case, it's Joe Grant. They're going on adventures which are traveling through time and space and history. And I'm like, cool, awesome. What we're going to do? Hopefully, this is an amazing 4-part story. Come on, let's get on this. And I watch it, and I'm like, it's half good. It's half good. It's a half good story because what you have here is in two halves. Like, you got the Doctor and Joe arrive on this ship, and they're just walking around, like, oh, we're here and there, okay, and they're on this ship, and things starting to be a bit odd. Like, they become stowaways, and then people don't remember that they're stowaways, so they forget that the Doctor and Joe have been around them. It's like, okay, that's a bit odd. There's a giant dinosaur creature in the middle of the sea, so everyone's going screaming. But then it happens again, and they don't, and these people are acting like it's the first time they're seeing this creature. So naturally, the Doctor and Joe are like, what's going on? What's this mystery? And the mystery is there. The mystery is, like, this is a 4-part story. It could easily be, like, maybe 2 episodes, maybe 3 episodes, where you just focus on the mystery. And the reveal is in the final episode. That, hey, there's these carnival people, and they have all these box of tricks and have this machine, and it's showing like a zoo show, and they're trying to amuse this alien race. That is intriguing. That is interesting. That, would work if they didn't show them at, like, I don't know, say the 10-minute mark of part 1 of the first episode of the story. Really, it hammers it. Because you want to know, like there's a scene where the hand just picks up the TARDIS, and you're like, what hand is that? What's going on? This is weird. This is odd. And you want to feel like you don't. I don't know if it's a story situation or a Doctor Who situation where if you are smarter than the Doctor, I don't know. It feels like, I don't know, it's kind of fun when, like, okay, the Doctor's trying to piece things together, and you as the audience member are trying to piece things together, and then, but when you are ahead of the Doctor, you feel, and the Doctor's behind, you're just like, well, it doesn't make it's like, about it. And, like, look, like, hopefully, I mean, so Jane is around the corner, as I hear. 3 episodes left, 3 stories left with Frontier in Space, Planet of the Daleks, and the Green Death. So Sam Jane's around the corner. Maybe we'll have some good stuff in there. Maybe not. I don't know. But I'm watching this story, and I'm like, it's just like, keep the mystery, guys. Why you keep showing these guys? And that's what really annoyed me most of it, because all the stuff with Dr. Joe is great, is wonderful, it's good. It's just the consistency and the alien planet and all that kind of stuff just go, oh well. I just waiting for the Doctor to figure out what's going on so you can stop them, and you kind of have to wait 2 episodes to do that, or like when the whole thing is kind of revealed, and it's a little bit, it's a little bit of a downplay of it, and hopefully Frontier in space is an improvement. Hopefully.